Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, we are jumping right into things once again. So here I'm actually doing a middle part and a side part, and that little piece is just where my hair is divided. Now you've seen the full braiding foundation, and then as I'm doing a quick weave, I'm just proceeding to put on the wig cap as well as the sealant. This is the Salon 30 Pro sealant, I believe. I'll make sure to link it down below. And then I'm just going to apply that to my hair. It can be helpful to go in with a marker. I actually used what do you call this thing? Concealer brush to kind of mark out where my parting is, so I didn't put glue or the sealant on the wrong parts. So that's what I'm just demonstrating here. And then once I finish with that, I'm just taking the bundles. I only used 2 bundles for this install and proceeding to install them. I like to cut out my ear tabs, as you can see here, just because it allows the rest of the wig cap to melt and stick in place. And then just for an extra layer of security, I go in with some hairspray. So this is track 1. I'm just applying it and stacking them. Sometimes you can go from ear to ear, sometimes you can swoop them. As you see, as I get a little bit higher, I tend to swoop the tracks. And then I'll show you how I kind of sort out that section in between my side part and middle part very shortly. But yeah, hopefully this video isn't too difficult to follow. It didn't take me too long. All in all, it took me about an hour. So as you see now, I've got right to the top. Everything was in a U-shaped form. And then here I'm just going in line by line in between the side part and the middle part and filling in that section. I think in total I put about 4 tracks. So once that was complete, and you see me here, I was getting a little hot because it was quite a tiring job doing this on yourself. I just proceeded to cut off the excess wig cap that was covering my part, and then started to fix my part, which I didn't really do too much with. I just went in with some mousse, really. You can use any mousse, and I think I blow dried it as well, but I was having a few storage issues, so that doesn't actually show. But yeah, if you just want a quick, simple, easy weave that's pretty natural, a little wet and wavy look that's versatile as well, side part, middle part, depending on how you're feeling, this is definitely the one or the go-to. But I'm gonna stop rambling on from now and actually just allow you to watch. If you have any questions, do be sure to comment them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Adios, amigos.